review of how to work in winter 2015 practicum. So here's what you do. Suppose you want to start adding teachers and adding students and making connections. You begin by clicking on Winter 2015. This will provide you with a list of all the students here, as you can see. None of them have placements yet. And then click on Teachers. What you're going to see here is a list of dimmed out teachers. And the dimmed out means that they're inactive. We've used them in previous years, but at the moment, we're not using them for winter 2015. Now, suppose that you've talked to, say, Jennifer Brockhurst here, and you know that she's going to be teaching in the winter. So what we need to do now is make her active. It's pretty easy to make her active. You just click on the word inactive, and you say OK, and there we go. Now she's active, and we can place a student with her just by clicking on Make Placement. Now, another way to make teachers active would be to go to Schools, and you can see all these schools here. They're all inactive because we don't have any teachers assigned. And suppose we've received a list of teachers from A.Y. Jackson. We can click on them, and we can say Add Teacher. Here are the existing teachers at A.Y. Jackson, and if we know they're both going to help us next year, we can make them active as well. And now we can assign students to those teachers. And so if we scroll down here, there's one at the top, A.Y. Jackson, and we can see that we've got 2 teachers there available. We go back to Teachers, and we scroll down, we can see the 2 A.Y. Jackson teachers. There they are, A.Y. Jackson that we just selected. Suppose there's a teacher who's not in this list. They're completely new, we didn't use them last time. Make sure you're in winter 2015. You say Add Teacher. First thing you have to do is select the school they're from. So I'm going to say A.Y. Jackson. And then you type in their name. So maybe it's Jim, first name, Hewitt. Math is their subject. And you type in their email. And then you add teacher. And there we go. And now I can assign something to Jim. If I scroll down here, I should find Jim eventually. Let's see. There he is. He's clustered with the other teachers. And so now to make this a placement, I can just click on Make Placement, and I can select the student that I want to go with, Jim or Heather or Maria or whatever. So that's how it works. You just activate and inactivate them. Now if you activate somebody like I've done and you don't really want to have them there, here's what you do. You go to, suppose I don't really want Heather and Maria to be active yet. You go to Heather, go to Edit, and say Not Active in Winter 2015. And she'll become inactive. I'm going to do the same for Maria. Actually, I'm going to make a little shortcut. If you go to the left of Maria's name, you'll see a little icon. That takes you directly to the edit screen. I'm going to say Not Active in Winter 2015. And let's see what else we've got. And Jennifer here. To the left. Not Active in Winter 2015. So there, I'm just resetting this so we don't have bad data. And as for Jim Hewitt, I'm going to remove him altogether. So that's roughly how it works. And so let me know if you have any questions.